I'm gonna be showing you how to get this makeup look right here. So if you guys want to find out how to get this drugstore less than 15-minute makeup look, please continue watching. So first I'm going to be starting off by moisturizing my face with the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. So my face gets really dry, so I like to just put very little bit on my face to get that moisturized look. Then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 120, which is this one, 20. So I'm gonna just apply that all over my face. Suck his dick. You would have been pissed, but that's not my MO. I'm not that type of bitch. And karma for you is gonna be who you end up with. Don't make me sick, nigga. I adore. I gave you everything, was mine is yours. I want you to live your life, of course, but I hope you get what you dying for. Be careful with me. Do you know what you're doing? Whose feelings that you hurting and bruising? You gon' gain the whole world, but is it worth the girl that you lose? And be careful with me. Yeah, it's not a threat, it's a warning. Be careful with me. Yeah, my heart is like a package. And this brush is from Wet n Wild. I got it at Walgreens. It's really good. I use it to apply my foundation. And I just use the headband so the product doesn't get all over my hair. So after you blend everything in, you want to go ahead with your concealer. So I have the Maybelline New York Master Concealer in the shade, what shade is this? Light 20. So I was introduced by this concealer. I saw it on Jacqueline Hill. She put it on her YouTube channel. She said it was really good. So I actually went out and buy it, and it is really good. So I like to apply this under my eyes, on my chin, my lip area, my forehead. All of that in. So I like to put concealer on my smile line, redness, pimples. I do get a shadow around my lip area, so I like to apply concealer there too. You gon' gain the whole world, but is it worth the girl that you lose? And be careful with me. Yeah, it's not a threat, it's a warning. Be careful with me. Yeah, my heart is like a package with a fragile label on it. Be careful with me. This foundation and this concealer is really good. All the Wet n Wild brushes are pretty much excellent. I haven't had a problem with them at all. They don't shed. They do everything it's supposed to do. So now, once everything is blended all in, I'm gonna go ahead with my Milani brow gel. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna apply that on my brows. So you could basically use this pretty much whichever way you want your eyebrows to look. This just gives it that natural look. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the Maybelline 24-hour color tattoo eyeshadow. This is what it looks like. And this is in the color creamy beige. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and just apply some on my lids. Natural, basic, everyday color. It's really good. I do like it a lot. It does stay on 24 hours. The only thing is the actual color inside, as you can see, is a little dry. So you're gonna have to like maybe spray it before you apply it. It actually applies better that way. I actually bought this because I saw on Kathleen Light's YouTube channel. She bought it and she said it was really good. She highly recommends it. So I'm using it today. And I used it before and it was really good and had no problem with it. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, now I'm gonna go with some mascara, which is the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Original. This is what it looks like, and I got it in Blackest Black. This is probably like a year old now. I saw my cousin use it and her eyelashes looked amazing, so I'm like, I have to get that. Now for the mascara, you can apply however many coats you like. I go in very softly because I don't want to get any mascara on my eyelid, which I normally do. I'm not going to put on any eyeliner because I'm going to school. I don't need too much makeup when I'm going to school. I got a little bit of mascara on here. Just gonna wipe that off. Okay, so now that I applied my mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and put some bronzer on. This is very, very old. One of my friends introduced this to me. This is also Wet n Wild Ticket to Brazil in 739. And the Wet n Wild actually wiped off here, but you can see here it's Wet n Wild bronzer. So I'm gonna use also my Wet n Wild brush, which I also got from the drugstore. Blend my bronzer everywhere. Blend it on my neck as well. Now I'm gonna also put some blush on. This is the Milani Baked Brush, and this is in the shade Luminoso 5. This was also on Jaclyn Hill's YouTube channel when she did her favorite drugstore product. So I'm gonna go with this e.l.f. Cosmetic Total Face Brush. Just gonna take a little bit and apply some on my cheeks. Of course, I'm gonna put some highlighter on. Today I'm gonna be doing this highlighter, which I got this highlighter actually from, oh my god, Beautycon. So I got this from Beautycon. This is the True Match Luminous Glow from L'Oreal, and I got this in the shade Fair Glow 901. So this is gonna be my first time using it. I'm just gonna apply a little bit on my beauty blender. I want to use this like as a highlight. I don't know if it's good for me to apply on the beauty blender first. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Like, look at that glow. Look at how much I'm putting. I'm putting one little drop. This is amazing. I thought I needed to apply it with my finger, but no, it actually applies really well. The beauty blender. Just gonna apply a small amount on my nose. Wow, this is really good. I highly recommend this. Like, this is beautiful. It gives you like that glowy, wet look. I like it a lot. I'm gonna just put some butter gloss on from NYX and Fortune Cookie. This is one of Luster's Lex favorite lip glosses, which is also from the drugstore. I'm just gonna highlight that on. Okay. And I'm just gonna use, of course, this is not a drugstore product, but I don't have a setting spray from the drugstore, so I'm gonna just use my Ultra Makeup Fixer Light Mist setting spray. And there is my look there. Thank you guys for watching my channel, and please subscribe. Peace.